So this is our site. People asking question is called how to index my website on search engines. At a time, multiple search engine. At a time, multiple search engine. Please write down entire web. Always remember entire web.com. Entire web.com. This you can use each website only for one time. Remember, once search engine is submitted your site, don't touch for 1 second submitted. You are doing 1 second submitted, your keyword will be first position. Then going to 10th position. Search engine any new website purpose only for new website purpose, for indexing purpose, just submit your site, copy the URL, paste it, so wait for a second. So I open my mail ID, just insert my mail ID option here. Go to search engine, submit here, click for proceed. Once submit your search engine for all, it's a one-time process. Clear? Click for choose your plan. When using entire web, after email verified, the search engine will be indexed. After email verified, search engine will be indexed. Each website you can follow the separate email address. One email address, not using for multiple websites. Use plan. Verification mail. Why? One website only for one email address. Search here. You receive the confirmation mail. Check for confirm submission. After confirm submission, they start by all search engine will be indexed. You can see how many search engine will have. Google done. Bing is a verification pending is there. AOI, Excite, Entire Web, InfoSpace, DuckDuckGo. So they come into new web search engine, the DuckDuckGo. Next one, Darkflight, so WebCrawler, both are there. Only one will be indexed. Okay, but this will be still pending. Simple click here. Simple here. Just they show us some notice. Close it. Done. Go to how many search engine? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 search engine. One submission, how many search engine will be indexed? Total 10 websites. Now just come into your site, check your mail ID confirmation. See this one. The site has been submitted. The index will be done by within 24 hours time. Sometimes you got mails from your mail IDs. Check the mail IDs and confirm your mail options. So check your spam mail also. No mails. Clear? This is called index your website. First of all, submit. After index will be start. When verify email will be done. Always remember any search engine for automatical submission for the search engine. First is verify your each website submit by the particular email ID with registration. Search engine will be indexed.